Hello, everyone. Sam is here from creativetrading.system.com. It's Sunday morning, October 12th, making this video about Bitcoin. So let's get started. A couple of things happened last week. I think the first China putting, I think, the blockage on sale of the rare earth minerals to the United States. And in retaliation, Trump announces that he is going to put 100% tariff on China on all goods. So the trade war is going to be worse than before, and it's starting now. So because of that, many things happen, and especially a lot of volatility in the our stock market and currency market and all of that, gold and everything will be affected, right? So let's take a look at this Bitcoin first. Or what happened? This is the chart. I made, come on, man, my computer is slow now. In 23rd August, right? This is the monthly chart, Bitcoin, and this is my Elliott wave counter. This is clearly wave 1, A, B, C, 2, and wave 3 is supposedly be ending here, and we supposedly be dropping in wave 4. All right. So wave 3, you can even see subwaves 1, 2, 3, 4, and then wave 5. So at the same time, I made a weekly chart as well, uh, showing my subwaves of this wave 3. This is wave 1, 2, 3, 4, and wave 5. I was expecting that this thing will somewhere here is going to end, and then we're going to drop for wave 4 of the higher, the black count, right? And even the smaller time frame daily chart was look like this at the same day, 23rd August, right? Yeah. So this is, more like small subwaves, right? Three, four, and then you can even see here that, one, two, three, four, and then five somewhere, it's like a crooked, yeah, or maybe, wave five usually comes in three waves, right? A, B, C. Somehow I find that. It's very, very interesting, right? Instead of coming in wave five, most of the time it comes in wave three, so you can say that it's A, B, C. So like maybe one, two, and three, or A, B, and C. But I was expecting, like I said, that this is the end of the wave three black count, and then we supposedly be dropping for wave four. So far, what will happen? What happened here? Let's take a look at this one. The first monthly chart. Yes, okay, we are a little bit dropping, and then you can see the weekly chart. The last week candle, you can see the what happened here, right? And that's what I'm talking about. That this trade war, Trump putting 100% tariff, and then blockage of rare earth minerals from China and all of that nonsense going on. And then the reaction is obviously, Bitcoin went down, S&P 500, Nasdaq, all of these things. So this is what's happening. But I was expecting this anyway, according to the Elliott wave. That's my point. Right? You can see here, this is the chart I made. This is the chart I posted on my Telegram here. This is the chart I post on my website here. These are the, before charts I make, and then I post, and then I give it to my subscribers and all of that. So they are all over the internet already, that I was predicting that we need a wave four. And then, events around the world happen in the same, context. And then we eventually have the Elliott wave count fulfilled. So this is what I'm expecting still, that we're going to drop now for wave four for some time, and then maybe later on we go up or whatever. But this is what happened, right? So this could be wave four, or this market is so big that you can only predict, right? So this could be the turn to the downside for good. So let's see what happened, right? Daily chart, current daily chart is like this. You can see that, last couple of days, but boom, boom, came down. And that's the reason that I just mentioned, right? So these are the things, what's happening. I'm going to make new charts. Basically, these are my new charts, and I'm expecting this wave four to the downside. And then once it is finished, maybe we will go up for wave five again. Remember, this is only wave four of this black count. So we have one, two, three, four, and five should be coming later on, even going above a wave three, this black count. So we will go there somewhere high, but for now, I think we are good to drop here. If you pull the fib from here to here, wave three usually is 38%. Sometimes 50 as well, but the 38% is a very ideal. And then if the market is very hard and positive, then sometimes wave four just move away from 23% line as well. But 38% is the most, like I say, 80% of the time. 38%. The theory is also called for 38%. So that is what I'm expecting here. Again, 38% is coming 82. Let's say 82, 83, something like that. But either this congestion here or this congestion here. Usually wave four goes to the last wave four, which is here, right? So I was expecting that probably somewhere here it will come, right? So not too far from there. But yeah, for a Bitcoin, it's a big deal, right? So into this area, and I'm expecting it, right? So this is it for now, and I'm probably gonna redo the charts, but I don't think I need to, right? So these are still good. The charts are still good, the before charts, and we'll take it from there, right? So bye for now, and talk to you guys later. And after this, if you haven't subscribed my YouTube channel, so do so because you're gonna get my videos on time. I'm gonna make the gold video after this, and then of course I'll make another video probably showing my Elliott wave count and all of that for Nasdaq and S&P 500, maybe DAX as well. All right, so this is it for now, and talk to you guys in the gold video later.